Okay, Sonoma boy. Oh, what? My legs. What? These are all your clean toys. Get a toy. Go clean up. That's it. Yes. That's it. Get a ball. Oh, there's not. I feel like we're missing a lot. Go clean up. Somewhere outside. That's it. Get a ball. Clean up. Good boy. Yes. Get a ball. Go clean up. That's my boy. Yes. Get a ball. You don't get one every time. Come on, we're not new. Get a ball. That's it. Any toy. That's it. Go clean up. That's it, love. Yes. Get a ball. Yes. Go clean up. Oh, there was some already in there, too. That's why. Sit, Sonoma. Get a ball. You went to the one I pointed to. Smart. That's it. That's it, Sonoma. Keep going. That's it. Go clean up. I know what I have to do. Get you a little more. All right. Get it. Yep. That's it, Sonoma. That's it. You know. Yes. Get it. That's it. Go clean up. Those are slippery, I know. Yeah. All your bones are somewhere missing. Get your comb. That's it. Go clean up. Got some slipper in the house somewhere. Can't be perfectly clean. Sonoma, look. Get your bone. Oh, good look. See how I looked in the direction? That was great. Good boy. Yes. And Sonoma, get your bone. Look. That's it, that's it. Yes, get it. Clean up. Oh, yes. That's my boy. Oh, Sonoma, while we're here. Oh, we gotta do something else. Come here. Front. Hey, hey, hey. What are you doing? Leave it. Come on, leave it. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Watch me. Sonoma, roll over. Yes! Good boy! What are you looking for? Did I drop something? I don't even know. All right, okay, let's leave it. Is our collar good? We're gonna try our, it's loose. I'm gonna use this side. Is that loose? Did I just loosen it or tighten it? I don't even know. Oh, I'm loosening it. What the heck am I doing? Nope, that's loosening it. Oh, Sonoma. I'm gonna try this in the car. Make sure you're down in your safe position the whole time. Sometimes you want to sightsee. We're not gonna sightsee right now. Hey, that was perfect. All right, we don't need any more treats right now. Going for a car ride to get those nails trimmed. All right, Oma. See how this works. Go through. Good boy. What are you doing? Oh, okay. We can play with that smaller ball. That's very helpful for me. Okay, good boy. I'm gonna try to do some stuff here, and I will toss you the ball. Come here, Sonoma, come. That's it, come, come, come. That's not your spot. Yes. All right, are we ready? Steady, go. Woo, good boy. Good boy, all right, yes. Good boy, you hang in the shade. These are blankets we often use in the car for Sonoma. But I don't know if we're gonna be going anywhere until Monday. I have my first day back at ketamine. So that'll be interesting. I have that treatment as usual, 4 days in a week. So that's pretty much taking up all my next week. I'm gonna sneeze. Nope. Until the weekend. Yeah, I'm obviously really glad I get to go. I'm excited for the relief. I'm not excited for the days because it really messes up your sleep schedule and like it's hard. It's just hard. Go ahead, Sonoma, get the bag. Lay down the emotional support until I get over there. Find it, Sonoma, find it. Yep. My alarm just went off for my bedtime, so he's gonna go get that. I'm gonna be sore from those simple exercises I did. I really don't think I do much. Bring it. Hold. Give. Yes! Sonoma, where are you going? Sonoma, come here. Hold. Give. Closer. Give. Okay, ready? Go get it, big boy. That's it, yes. This one. It's covered in fluff. Sonoma successfully got his nails trimmed. Very safely at the vet, like all masked. They just do it outside really quick. Takes a whole 10-20 seconds. Good boy, good stay, Sonoma. He is hydrating in the pool through his feet with some toys, and I'm about to go grab some treats and throw some toys for him for a couple more minutes before it starts to get too buggy out here. That's why I'm on the deck. But it's good weather right now. There is not a breeze at all, and the sky looks really, really cool. The clouds are like really cool. So Sonoma, you stay. I'm gonna go grab some treats for him for being a good boy. Sonoma, bring it! Sonoma is happily playing. He did not stay the whole time when I went in to get his treats, so he stayed in the pool. Bring it! That's it! It's like he waits at the bottom of the stairs for like permission to come up. Like where all the dirt is, where I tried to plant grass and things went terribly wrong. Yes. Oh, such a mess. Sonoma, where's your football? So I brought him out a couple more toys in the pool to give him some more choices and some bouncier things. Bring it! That's it! And he still wants to play with the good old football. Sonoma, bring it. Get your football. The thing, he has to get it, and he needs to bring it, and he needs to give it. No, you don't throw it at me. You must hand it to me. You must give it to me nicely. Right, Oma boy? Where are you going? Who do you think's gonna throw it? Sonoma, watch me give. Yes, he gets excited. Then he runs down the stairs to get to his starting position. Look at that with that ear. That is just something. And I can't even hold the ball. Woo! That's it, Oma. Bring it. That's it, bring it up here. Let me know. Good boy, yes. In the comments, if you would like a review on this dog care collar and controller that comes with it. This was just to differentiate it between my friend Abby's. Because we have the same one. Let me know if anyone is interested and all the things that this does and what I think about it. What Sonoma thinks about it. Give, can I throw it in the pool? Nope. Didn't think so. Sonoma, bring it. Oh, I got it, Sonoma. You gotta go get it. Where is it? Good boy. Bring it. Bring it over here. You gonna lay down? All right, Sonoma's gonna take a little break. And I guess on that note, I will see you later. Bye.